Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Ghost Unstable Trail. First, you'll need to reach the beach area in Speed City. This zone requires at least 500,000 steps to enter, so make sure you've been running. Once there, look for the Unstable Shop, a special vendor that offers unique trails. The Unstable Shop is unique because its inventory changes over time. You'll notice a timer on the shop's crate. This counts down until a new trail is offered. The Ghost Unstable Trail is quite rare, so you'll need to be patient and check back regularly until it appears in stock. Once the Ghost Unstable Trail is available, be prepared for its cost. This highly sought-after trail requires a hefty sum of 100 billion steps. Start saving early and consistently collect orbs and steps. When it finally appears, don't hesitate to make your purchase. The Ghost Unstable Trail offers incredible benefits, including a 50,000 step multiplier and a 50,000 orb multiplier, significantly boosting your progress. You also get a jump multiplier of 7, allowing for higher leaps. This trail is also crucial for accessing Ghost City and collecting its valuable orbs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.